Good day everyone, my name is Justin B. Fulgencio. I am from 4A 13 and this is the laboratory ballistic room.
For me, I'm excited to enter this ballistic laboratory because we'll see many different things and learn a lot, like the various types of firearms and bullets. And this laboratory will help me acquire different skill to determine what kind of bullet it is and where it came from, whether from a shotgun or Colt 45. And for me, this lab will also help when I join law enforcement because here we'll learn the proper way to process and investigate bullet casings, recover from crime scenes. That will spend up our ability to identity which firearm they came from. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video.